Hi guys, so today we are going to create some really cool decorative eggs is what they're called. And these eggs are actually from Scandinavia, and it's kind of a Dutch tradition that happens. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this today, and then I'll show you some examples. That way you all can kind of see what you can do with the rest of your eggs. So I'm going to show you how to draw one of them, and then you're going to draw 8 more. So we're going to have 9 eggs in total, okay? But here's the deal. I want you to make a fist. I want your eggs to be at least the size of your fist. So you need 9 of those, okay? 9 eggs are the size of your fist. And make them in a cool composition. Don't just make them in a line. Try to make them like maybe laying on top of each other, just in really cool ways. Okay, if you need to pause this video while you're following along, that would be awesome too. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, friends, I have 9 eggs. Mine kind of look like 9 rocks, but they'll look like really cool eggs later, okay? So you're going to pick just one of your eggs. I'm going to start with this one, okay? And what I'm going to do is, the first thing we're all going to do is we're all going to put a dot in the center of just one egg. Just one, okay? And you all are going to follow along with me with this first one. I'm going to show you kind of how the patterns work and kind of how this art form is created. They usually paint these or actually carve these into eggshells, which is kind of really cool. But then what you're going to do is you're going to come in and you're going to make 5 leaf shapes, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this art form, they use lots of organic shapes to create kind of a geometric pattern, which is really, really cool. So they use shapes that you find in nature to create a structured, organized pattern. It's kind of awesome. So after you do the 5 leaves, in between each leaf, you're going to draw a triangle. You're going to draw a triangle. Triangle, triangle, triangle. Okay? Then you're going to draw a dot at the end of each leaf. All right? And what makes these eggs really cool is the negative space that's used, so the negative and positive space. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave a little edge around our egg, okay? And I'm going to come over here, like if I'm looking at an egg and I twist an egg, you can see the pattern kind of that's going around the egg, right? So this is like the pattern is actually on the back side of the egg. So there I have my leaf shape, my triangle, right? And I might do the same thing down here, my leaf shape, my dot, my triangle, right? Then we can also come in and add bigger dots if we want to around the edge. Just like that, okay? So friends, this is one of the art forms that I love just because it's so intricate, it's so detailed, and it should take you a long time to do this. You should not get through this quickly, okay? Because it is so detailed. All right, friends, so I'm going to show you some examples. All right, guys, so here's some examples of these Dutch or Scandinavia created eggs, and they're super duper cool. You can see that there's all these intricate patterns and designs and such. You can even see that up here in the top middle picture, that's like egg yolk that's been, or egg shell that's been carved away. So how they create these eggs is they poke a tiny itty bitty little hole in the bottom of the eggs and they sit them on top of a cup. And when they do that, the yolk and the egg white slowly slip out of the bottom of the egg, okay? And then they have this preserved eggshell that remains after all the egg yolk and egg white comes out. And then they can decorate these eggshells to create these awesome, cool designs and really intricate decorations that they can have around their house. Sometimes they use them as Christmas ornaments or around Easter time. There's all kinds of uses for these decorative eggs. So I can't wait to see what you create and the designs that you implement within your wonderful creation. Okay, so for the rest of the 9 eggs, you just need to add some really cool designs. Okay, but remember, this should take the entire class. You should not get this done quickly. All right, guys, happy making!